What's up, everybody? DoubleA here again with another liquidation box. I got this one from liquidation.com and I paid $250 for it. And they tell me it's worth about 1,500 bucks. So let's find out.
What am I going to hit through first? It's the manifest.
Oh, we got the manifest. Cool.
Let's put that down for now.
Yep.
Alright. I guess wireless earbuds.
Oh, well, at least they're a different color this time.
Hopefully they're in there.
Yeah, appear to be. Yeah. Let's see here. Yep, they're in there. I think we sell these for about 10 bucks. There they go. Right there, guys.
We got more iLive stuff.
Yeah, not bad at all.
What is this?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, those are the wired headphones. This will probably go for like 5 bucks.
I like these better though. Look at this. These are the wireless ones.
That's nice. Let's see what these look like and if they're like broken or not. Because I don't know if you recall in the first box we had a broken pair, but these appear to be in good shape. So about 5 bucks.
And then while you do that, I'm gonna open these to see if they're good. Because these, I like wireless headphones. Everyone wants to go.
Oh yeah, everybody gets wireless headphones, but you just want to make sure you get the right kind that sound good. You know, you don't want to get something that sounds like a little cheap
And it comes with a
headphone.
pouch too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I have no idea what that's worth. Maybe like 30 bucks for like their wireless ones.
I don't know. We'll check.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we'll update.
We'll test them too.
Yeah, we definitely want to make sure you test stuff. I tested a bunch of items from my previous box and it worked, and somehow when the customer got it, didn't work. And it was the Vo Amazon Echo speaker, and I of course I had to accept the return. I just felt bad that it didn't work. So I contacted the customer service for the company Vo, and they informed me that in order for them to process a warranty claim on these and to reimburse me, they would need a copy of a physical receipt, which of course I don't have because I bought it from a liquidation. So basically I'm just stuck with 2 large paperweights. So that's that.
Let's see what else is there. Do this?
Yeah, let's do that. So what do we got?
Oh, we got this before.
Oh yeah, this was in our first box. So this is the Jam wireless portable speaker. I believe we sold this for about $20. It's waterproof, it's rugged, it's really nice. Let me see if this one's open and I'll show you guys what it really looks like.
I think it's actually a nice speaker.
It's a really nice speaker. So this one,
I tested it, it's really nice.
This one is nice, yeah. So there you go. Check it out. This is what it looks like, guys. That's upside down again. There we go, right there. Pretty cool. Not bad. Got that right there. There you go.
Alright, now we got some of these.
Yeah, what do we got?
Oh, these are kind of like the ones we had before, but they look like... This is a different brand for sure, but...
What is this?
This one is
oh, Scotch Magic Mount. Okay.
It looks like a better brand from the other one we had.
Yeah, because Scotch usually makes pretty good stuff. It's just like the box looks like...
Yeah, I know. Same
like
thing with these.
Somebody sat on it and like... Or did not know how to open it. Or
which one is that? That's the...
Magic Mount.
Okay, we got the universal vent mount for smartphones and the FM stereo transmitter. Let me
see if we can even salvage this one. Yeah, I think we might be able to work with this one. It has the backing plate to it still, and it hasn't been used.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah, this could sell for about $5 to $10. All right, not bad at all.
Well, I'll take these out later.
So the FM transmitter, guys, this one here that you showed them, 15 bucks. And this we'll have to check out, make sure it's solid. Might be maybe about $5 to $10.
We got some cardboard.
I think it might be to something.
Yeah.
It's for that.
Player.
You know what that is?
Cassette player.
You know what a cassette is?
Yeah, for cassette tapes.
Let's see. It looks like it's used.
It does look like it's used.
I have no idea what this is worth. Maybe like $5. I don't know if any of you need a Walkman. I used to have one back in the day.
I don't know. Does it have anything in there?
No cassette, but it does have.
Let's say we can get one.
So there you go. It looks in fairly good condition. It does have the batteries still in it. Check it out. There you go. It's a GPX.
And then more earbuds. You know how we do not like earbuds?
Yep.
Let me open these because these feel kind of light. I'm kind of worried about this one.
I just sold a pair like this earlier today for $7, so it's about $7 to $10 for this pair as well if it's
in there.
Yeah, if it's in decent shape.
Let's see. Looks like they were never even opened.
Yeah, it looks like they're still like
perfectly fine.
Yeah.
See? It still wasn't even taken off. That's pretty good.
It's not bad at all. I like that.
Pretty good to me.
Yep.
All right. Here you go.
Cool.
Now let's go into
yeah, that's fine. Let's keep going.
Yeah. Let's take this with that. Let's take some.
I'm liking some of the stuff that
these are the.
But wait, there's more.
I actually like those.
These are about $10 as well. They're one of those ones you put over the ear. I'm not a huge fan of putting it over the ear like that and having something hooked on my ear.
People like those.
But people like that, especially if you work out and stuff like that.
And then here's another one of these. Skosh.
Magic mount. Or the vent mount. Sorry, guys.
Scotch tape.
Sure. There you go. $5 to $10. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, that's cool.
A red pair and a white pair.
Oh, the fake Beats.
Yeah.
All right.
Love to check these for myself.
Actually, I'm gonna check this one right now. They look kind of nice. I want to see if they're broken. Oh wow, these are actually pretty cool looking. Check it out. And snaps in like that. There you go. Look at that. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go $5 on these.
$5?
Yeah, these iLive headphones don't sell for that much. You know, because they're not the biggest brand in the world. You know, if this was like Beats or Apple or Samsung or something, it would sell in a minute. But
$2 not.
Yeah, that's all right. I mean, we got lucky in our first box and got the AirPods, so that was cool. That was really cool.
That was a really good box.
That was a really good box. I'm actually still making money off of that box.
Oh, Max agrees too.
Yep, yeah, we have our cat Max over here. He's a very, very old cat. He's 20 and 10 months. He's been a little under the weather, shall we say, lately. Yeah, see, he agrees. He's not feeling well. His back legs are not working. And that's kind of a bad deal when you're a cat. For your back legs to not work. So I'm hoping for the best, but, you know, he's old, so we'll see.
Well, are these the good ones?
Let me find out. No, it's the old ones. We sold a pair like this for like, I think $10 maybe. So $10 to $15 plus shipping.
Hey, let me see. I like how it says right here. If you can see, it says original price $100, now $89. Can't even get $10.
Yep, can't.
No one wants those.
Yeah, because it's for an older Samsung phone, and
yeah,
you know they've upgraded significantly since, so that's probably why.
And the 7 was not really that popular. I mean, I had a 7, it didn't work out for me.
Yeah.
All right, let's take these two.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay. Now these I like. This is good.
Noise canceling headphones from Level.
Okay, now
Level On.
Level On will sell. Okay, so these are normally about $200. Well, it says $249 regular price. You can see it right there. It's focused. It's now almost $200. $199.97 on sale. So I do believe that these could potentially sell for about $100. Yep. I definitely believe that.
I think Matt said he'll go for over 100.
Yeah, if it goes over 100, that'd be great. So they're actually, look at that. They look really, they have like a premium feel to it. Not like the iLive ones where it feels kind of cheap. And like they fold in and they're solid up here, man. Look at this. This is nice, bro. Look at this.
This box has been kept well. We'll check it later.
Yeah, and these have been kept well. And you get, of course, with the headphones,
you get the bag.
You get the little awesome baggie. Check that out, man. I'm glad we got 2 of these. That's awesome. I was not expecting this at all. These are nice. Oh, and it still has the original plug for the aux cord if you want to just use it with wires, and of course your charger here. Check it out. Pretty nice.
Here you go.
I'm actually glad we got both of these. This is these two could potentially pay for the entire box, which is fantastic.
All right. While he's doing that, we'll look at this item. Glass Curve Elite. Which one? Oh, for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus.
You know what? Maybe we should check to see if it's in there.
Because S9.
Because sometimes people don't like to send stuff in boxes.
Or it's broken.
Or it's broken. Yeah, either one.
We've had that a couple times before. But let me tell you, that does not make our day.
No.
What do you think?
All right, let me check this part out. Well, hold on. It's in there. However, as we suspected, look at that.
I told you. Cracked.
Can you see that right there? That's a crack. Yep.
That's not what we want to see.
No, we don't like to see cracks.
I can tell Max is mad too because
he's upset as well.
Yeah, he agrees.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me see, what is this? Look at that. That's flipping awesome. So these are Clarity HD. Oh, these are Monster. Duh. So these we can probably sell for about $50. Oh, say hello to Max.
We'll get him to pick the next item.
Yeah, Max, what shall we do next?
What item?
Okay, you like those.
Oh,
right. So Prismatic Afterglow wired controller for Xbox One. Just sold one like this for $20. And I plan to do the same with this one.
And they're really nice.
They're actually pretty cool. The only thing, it's wired, so... oh yeah, this is actually sealed. So we're going to leave it that way. Alright, let's keep it going.
Alright, I really want to see what this is. Right here, it's like a... What the heck?
Wow, oh.
What is that?
That's a Jam portable speaker.
Whoa, it's nice.
Oh, it says $99.99, discount to $89.97. Jam Levity. Dude, this actually feels heavy.
It is very heavy.
Levitates while playing music. Are you serious, bro? Look at this. Look at this thing. It looks like a spaceship. Check that out.
I'll have to check if it's been opened yet.
If it has been,
I want to check.
we should be able to sell. Dude, I'm hoping we can sell this for like $75. That would be a steal.
Oh yeah, and we also got another one of these Clarity HD things.
Oh right, dude.
They're really nice.
And Monster's actually a good brand, so this appears. Yeah, these were used, but we'll again make sure every time you get an item, test it out before you sell it. Oh, it's just an HDMI kit, but it's open box. It's a bunch of different HDMI cables. You got mini, micro, and a big one.
Yes, they're in there.
There you go. They appear to be in there. There you go. It's by GE, so I'll probably sell for like $5.
Alright, what is this?
I don't know.
Oh, it went from $39 to $20.
Oh, Dream Vision Pro. Oh, it's just a VR.
Yeah, it's just a
VR headset. If we can sell this for $10, I'd be happy.
I feel like
I don't know. I mean, these older ones are not really in style right now, but it might take a while. You know.
There's a nice case here. This is actually a really nice case. What is this for?
Let me see. That's a
really nice case.
I think it's an iPad Pro case. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but doesn't this look like an iPad Pro case? It's in great shape. It's obviously used, but it's in great shape. It's like a folio case. It's pretty cool.
Alright. And then next item. Ooh, Xbox 360 charge system.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we used to have that.
Yeah.
Back when we had the Xbox.
Like 7 years ago?
Basically. Let me open this up, see.
But I mean, people still play Xbox.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with that.
Pretty sure a lot of people have Xbox.
Yeah, so let's see this charging system. It's Energizer. It's all over the place, dude.
I know.
I have something like this for my PS4.
And here they are right here.
So you get 2 batteries. You get like this little fancy stand right here. And then you put your controllers in it.
We have that for the...
And that's it. And so basically, those are the replacement battery packs for the Xbox 360 controller. So we'll probably sell this for about $5 to $10.
These used to come in handy when you
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Because you'll be playing a game and you run out of battery and you're like, oh man, I wish I had another one. And that
brings
would
back a lot of memories.
Yep. All right.
Here
So.
you go. Take this over there.
All right.
Oh, what is that?
Oh yeah, look at this. So this is a wireless multi-room speaker by iLive.
We see it back.
It said it was discounted from $99.99 to $69.97. So we're looking at about
Let's look at the features.
$40.
Built-in Wi-Fi for the highest quality wireless audio. Wi-Fi direct for wireless streaming without a router. Bluetooth wireless, of course. Aux in. I mean, most of them do nowadays. 2 high-performance drivers for detailed audio. Double passive radiator for rich full sound. Free control center app download. I actually like that because when I have my speakers, I would like to adjust everything. Multi-room and multi-user. Oh, I like that. Compatible. Multi-channel mode. This is really cool.
And it says you can use it with Pandora, Spotify, and iHeartRadio, which is cool. So
Yeah.
multiple apps. So this is wow, that's pretty cool. Whole house audio.
That's not bad. I like
That's
that.
not a bad idea. All right, so if you want this, guys, $40 to $50, hit me up.
Oh,
for sure.
This is good for you, Dad.
Oh, professional USB recording mic. You know I like to talk, so this would come in real handy.
That's really nice, though.
That's really nice, man. What is this? What brand is this? Rainier. I mean, it's a professional one by Cyber Acoustics. I'm gonna go with like $60, $55 to $60 on this, and it looks really nice.
Yeah. And then the last 2 items, which are really cool to me. My favorite game ever is Spyro, and I have it right here for the PS4. And then we have Gears of War 4 for Xbox One.
All right.
So let me take a look at Spyro and see if this is in there. It's in there. There we go.
So we should be able to sell these for about $20 a
Let's
piece.
see. Let's see if the back is.
Is the disc any good?
Oh, the disc is amazing.
Oh, check it out.
Perfect
check it
condition
out.
too.
Very nice.
It looks like they got it, they just didn't want it, so they returned it.
Yep.
But they took all the stuff that's inside.
Okay.
I love Spyro.
That's
there we
fine.
go. Let's check Gears of War 4 now.
Yeah.
I used to play this when I was younger. Everything seems to be in there. There we go.
That's actually a pretty good game. I when I had the Xbox, I played Gears of War. That's a really fun game to play.
That was a good game.
Yeah.
All right, let's check the back up here. It's just very heavily covered with fingerprints, if you can all see that.
Yeah, but we can always clean that up. We'll be fine.
We'll clean it.
It's it's been used.
Looks perfectly fine though.
$20. What do you think about this box?
Oh, and the good news is, you still get your stickers in there too. There you go.
Oh, dude, that's awesome.
And you get the code right here. I mean, if it still works.
I don't know.
know.
I'm not sure if that's gonna work. I'm sure they've used it by now.
Just for all the games. I don't know.
Okay, you never know.
They might have had. You never know.
Never know.
If you get this and you see this, test it out. You never know. People sometimes forget to use them, and then you still have your stickers. There you go. But there we. That's really cool.
All right, now we've reached the conclusion to this box. Yep, Max agrees as well. I'm looking at about maybe to double my profit at least on this one. So hopefully that happens. And looks like Max approves as well. So make sure you guys stick around for the next video. Like and subscribe, and of course wish Max all the best, because he can use all the support he can. All right, you guys take care now. Have a good one.